Hey guys, aloha from gorgeous Hawaii. I'm heading out to enjoy a day on this beautiful island of Oahu, and I want to bring you guys with me. So this is a vlog of my day in Hawaii. Buddy boy, you guys had your breakfast. Can mommy eat?
No.
Breakfast time.
Are you okay under there? Oh my gosh, where is he? Where is he? There you are.
Go that way towards where?
That rocky area up there. That's where we can go look for some dolphins really quick.
Go. Hurry. I must see a dolphin. Ow.
Okay, so we just finished our snorkeling adventure, and now we're having lunch at this beautiful place called Farm to Barn in Haleiwa. I got the mushroom Swiss burger.
And this quesadilla is yum.
Yummy. Whoa. This is our shaved ice after lunch. We were told to come to Matsumoto's, and this is the Matsumoto special.
Alright, which colors are favorite?
This is awesome. I love it. Look at how cute this is.
Like the blue one? Okay, dinner is served. We have mahi-mahi and bok choy and some potatoes and yummy sauce. Gluten-free. Yum. This is so good. Wow. Beautiful. My loves, come sit. Alright. They're playing. Dinner time.